rain! Woo! Day 20. We made it to León. Good morning, beautiful people. And today we are on to the final third stage, almost. To León we go. Vamos. That's the name of this town. Reliegos. Reliegos. 26 kilometers. Alonze. I haven't been wet since day one, but it looks like today I'm gonna get some wetness on me. Woohoo! I'm so incredibly amazed by the clouds. We're gonna get caught in a massive storm and it's gonna be absolutely unreal. And I can't freaking wait. Hasn't had any rain for the last few days. Actually, since I started. And now we're ready. Look at this. 18 kilometers to go to León. And then we're gonna chill out, relax, have a nice cerveza. Ooh, look at that cloud up there. That's just incredible. It's like a wave, man. That's a wave. It's so cool. I've never seen a cloud like that in my life. Let's go, baby. Let's go. The Camino is not just about walking across the whole of entire Spain. It's about testing yourself physically and mentally. It's also a big thing of like trying to figure out your life. And you get so many beautiful people that you meet. And so I just absolutely love it. Everywhere you go, you see beautiful people, beautiful places, but it's the people that makes the difference. You know, you can be in a nice bar anywhere in the world, but if the bar is empty, then what are you doing? Oh, check out this. Oh, I just felt the first raindrop. We're gonna get it wet. Click, and then I'm gonna be in my rain jacket. Ready? Boop. See? Look at that. Just like that. I just leave this beautiful town of not many people and enter a city where it's gonna be good. Whatever you're going through in life, right? If you feel like you're in the middle of a storm, soon the storm's gonna end and you're gonna see beautiful sunshine. But sometimes all you see is the rain and the clouds and you can't see in front of you. But it will change. There will be a better day when you'll see blue sky again and you're gonna have a great time. But right now, enjoy the moment because these are the moments that define you. Adversity, pain, hardness, this changes yourself. So as I'm walking in the storm, I'm so freaking happy because I know pain is just temporary. There's gonna be beauty, there's gonna be wonderful things just on the other side. See, blue sky. On the other side of the clouds, there's blue sky. And so no matter what you're going through, it will change. Push through, persevere through your pain, because it's these moments that define your character. And it's a bloody beautiful time. Woo-hoo-hoo! Let's go! Woo-hoo! Oh, rain is beautiful. The road will be mine now, because no one will be on it. I can enjoy the rain, enjoy the peace, enjoy the rain in the fields. Woohoo! This is something different. We've just had hot, humid heat for the last 3 or 4 days. It's been incredible, but now there's a little bit of a difference. Woohoo! Yes! These are the moments I live for. These are it. Let's go. I just bought a bottle of water from the servo, and I just got my latest Buen Camino, and look at that, 777 on the Buen Camino counter. 15 kilometers to go. I met another vlogger who's vlogging every day.
Every day.
Every day I've been vlogging, like just the day. But I just did an interview with a lady from the Netherlands struggling with addiction.
Oh, really?
So I interviewed her, and it was really beautiful. It's a little bit of a different take on the videos, but it was pretty good, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. The vlogger's vlogging, being vlogged. Last little town before León. Central, we're going to the Central. We're gonna have a beer at the Central.
You have to do the temptation.
Temptation, resist temptation.
Resist the temptation.
Onto the church for a beer.
Yeah. Woohoo!